What if the most powerful industry in America isn't oil, isn't tech, isn't banking, but medicine? This is the story of Pfizer, one of the most powerful pharmaceutical companies in the world, and the uncomfortable questions surrounding modern medicine. In the next 8 minutes, we're going deep. You'll discover how Pfizer became a pharmaceutical titan and the rise of the blockbuster drug model. We'll look at the largest healthcare fraud settlement in U.S. history and the COVID-era profits that sparked public backlash, and the ethical tension between curing disease and sustaining revenue. This isn't conspiracy. This is documented history. Pfizer was founded in 1849 in Brooklyn, New York. For decades, it was just another chemical manufacturer. But World War II changed everything. Pfizer mass-produced penicillin for Allied troops, transforming itself into a global powerhouse. From there, expansion became strategy. Through aggressive R&D, spending, and acquisitions, Pfizer built a machine capable of producing drugs at scale. And scale is everything in pharma, because in medicine, one drug can generate billions. By the 1990s, the pharmaceutical industry embraced a powerful concept, the blockbuster drug, a medication that earns over $1 billion per year. Pfizer mastered it. Lipitor, used to lower cholesterol, became one of the best-selling drugs of all time, generating over $12 billion annually. Viagra, a cultural phenomenon, and another multi-billion-dollar product. Celebrex, Lyrica, Zoloft, each designed to treat chronic conditions. Chronic diseases don't disappear overnight. They require ongoing treatment, which means recurring revenue. Critics argue the incentive structure rewards maintenance over cure. This tension sits at the heart of modern pharma economics. In 2009, Pfizer agreed to pay $2.3 billion to resolve liability related to the illegal marketing of certain products. At the time, it was the largest healthcare fraud settlement in U.S. history, involving promoting drugs for uses not approved by the FDA. For critics, this was proof that aggressive marketing crossed ethical lines. For defenders, it was a costly lesson in regulatory complexity. Drug pricing is one of the most controversial aspects of the industry. In the U.S., drug prices are not directly regulated by the government. That gives companies significant pricing power. Pfizer has faced criticism over price increases on various medications over the years. The company argues drug development costs billions. Clinical trials fail more often than they succeed. Innovation requires capital. Critics counter. Taxpayer research contributes to discoveries, yet patients struggle with affordability. Healthcare becomes a financial burden. Then came 2020. The world shut down, and Pfizer partnered with BioNTech to develop an mRNA COVID-19 vaccine. It was one of the fastest vaccine developments in modern history. Billions of doses were distributed worldwide. Pfizer reported tens of billions in vaccine revenue. Supporters say it saved millions of lives. Critics say profits surged while disparities remained. Governments negotiated contracts behind closed doors. Once again, medicine and money collided on a global stage. Pharmaceutical companies operate in a shareholder-driven system. Public companies answer to investors. Investors expect growth. But curing a disease permanently may eliminate a revenue stream. The economic model favors sustainability, which often means lifelong management. That's the structural tension. Not evil, not saintly, but complex. Pfizer is a powerful corporation inside a capitalist healthcare system. Should medicine be a market or a public utility? Because when health becomes business, every prescription carries two prices, the one you see and the one society pays. We don't deal in rumors. We analyze power, systems, and influence so you can understand the world clearly. Kindly share, like, and subscribe to the Blessing Minds channel. And please share this video so we can keep creating more and more content for you.